My name is Andrés Russu. I'm the operations manager of SENSIA. And SENSIA is a company which is based on our expertise on infrared. And with this expertise, we are developing added value solutions for our customers. In the industrial line, we are developing especially optical gas imaging system, which are providing situational awareness about the emissions and other process events on their facilities of the customers, so they can take care on real time of specific solutions of that kind of events, like gas emissions or any other activities. The carbon is opening us one different spectral lines. We are pretty focused on operations, real operations, and we are our customers are using our technology for the real operations, but we want to be on the front line of the developments of the new technologies on the decarbonization, like CO2 management and hydrogen systems. So we are here to explore that the industrial trends, no, and be able to respond with our products to that trends. We are struggling the technology and all our knowledge to develop solutions as based on infrared, which are able to provide an added value. And with this added value, what we are talking about preventive maintenance activities. So for us, so to control the process more than just basic thermography, just go to gas cloud imaging, to flare efficiency monitoring. These kind of activities will allow the end users to have a kind of preventive maintenance, and with this to have a real good plan on their economical budgets, no? As they will be able to control their non-operative issues that they can have. The networking has been very good, very fruitful, and indeed we have been able to have clear contact with most of the important or key players on the decarbonization in the most important companies like end users and EPCs. And we hope that these contacts are giving us the opportunity to penetrate deeply on these companies and support them on their challenges on the decarbonization. The organization, we are quite familiar with the BGS Group and their activities. It's not our first Congress. I think that you are taking care of us very gratefully and helping us on our marketing strategies and supporting our networking, so which is very helpful to have a fruitful visit or participation on this conference. I mean, it has been 2 days very productive, very active, not just on the conference with our booth and our show that we have here. We have been also having the opportunity to attend to the conferences, which allow us to understand which are the things that they are doing, and with this, taking the word and taking the possibility to continue the discussion with that delegates that has been speakers on the conference. The personal manager is very fruitful and very fruitful support to our marketing strategy. Is one of the things that we are very welcome from these BGS group conferences, that we have direct contact with one person and is taking care and understanding what are our needs and support us. We are thinking that we are hoping to have a positive impact with this meeting. I mean, we did very good contacts that I'm pretty sure that they will support us in our next future activities and penetration on the market.